Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this really nice light for reviewing purposes. It's a Vanity light that I'll be installing in here. We got the instruction manuals with all the hardware that we are gonna need to install it, and we got the proper main units. It's a really beautiful one, as you can see. It has this really nice design. Let me take it out of this bag, okay? As you can see, it's quite nice. It seems like a really simple installation that shouldn't take that much long, and it has a really nice gold color that I think is going to be really beautiful. So I'm going to install it in here, so let's start installing it and let's see how it looks, okay? Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the proper installation process is actually really simple and the instructions are really clear. And what I think that it's nice is that compared to any kind of single angle Vanity lights, this Vanity light is 360-degree beam, can give a light without any kind of blind spots, and it creates even lighting upon the mirror. It can be installed vertically or horizontally, however you want it, so you can complement your bedroom or wherever you want to place it with a contemporary minimalist touch, which I think that it's really nice. And it even works with some dimmer switch, which I think that it's perfect because you can easily adjust the gold Vanity light brightness from 100% to 10%, emitting a soft and warm white light that it's really perfect without any kind of flickering. And as you can see, once it's installed, it has a really beautiful look. I love a lot how it has a warm temperature light, and I think that it looks amazing. It has a really nice combination, and overall, as you can see, it was a really quick installation. It didn't take that much long. It's really nice, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.